Here we are again. The Mad Max machine. I think my whole YouTube channel so far has been about that car. So here we go again. Got all my fuel pump parts. Today is drop the tank day and get the new parts in. See this thing roll down the road once and for all. I'm getting tired of it sitting here. So I'm just gonna get right to it. Here I go again. Well, this is where it begins. Disconnect the fuel lines. Let's see if I can figure this out again. There's little clips you have to squeeze. Never any fun. There's a couple of different ways to disconnect this, either from up here or from underneath. I just usually disconnect it from up here. Next, you gotta loosen up the nuts for the tank straps. It's hot out. Time to crack open the cold one. Then you gotta support the fuel tank. This is my rig over here. A couple jacks under the straps. I'm gonna knock out the bolts. Now it's just a matter of lowering things down. now I just got to wrestle it out of there. Remove the old unit from the tank. Install the new unit. Just because I found that hose popped off on the top. I'm going to put the old unit back in. See if this thing starts. I'm going to return the $300 worth of other parts I bought. I'm gonna wrestle it back under here. I hope it works. It's coming out again. Put the new unit in. I'm gonna hook the fuel lines back up. I'm gonna plug the fuel pump in back here before I tighten up all the bolts. See what happens. Now we see what kind of miracles happen. Turn the key. Let it prime a little bit. And the Mad Max machine is back running. There it was. Something stupid. That hose popped off the new pump. That stupid plastic clip. This tank's coming out again. All them clips are gonna get replaced. Because I got a lot of work to do under there. So I ain't sweating it for now. But the car's running. I'm getting ready to take it down off the stairs and take it for a ride. Oh, here we are. Mad Max machine's on the road. Taking it for a test drive. Running pretty good. Running as good as it was before it cracked out. So I'm hoping that solves the problem. See if the school bus can run into me. I think I'm gonna save them other parts I bought. They were so hard to get. The other two cars have the same setup. I'm afraid to let it go. It's $300 worth of crap, but I'd rather have it on my shelf and not be able to get it later on. That's it for now with the Mad Max machine. We can finish buzzing it around, pull it back in the driveway, get it cleaned up because it's going to car shows this weekend. I'm ready. See ya.